Hello everyone, it's me Amgad Assam. This video number 21. It will be about the 67 Dodge Charger. All are Hot Wheels and they have presented this casting starting 2000. We will start the video by the first edition one, 2000 silver or light gray one. I love this casting too much. Look at the tail of the car. Pretty good one. Not many are really can have this one in real. Beautiful car, beautiful casting. Then we will move to this wonderful treasure hunt one, 2001 production. You can see the beautiful car, the nice rims, number 7 deco on the side of the car. Lovely, beautiful car, so nice. Then we will go to this lovely 2005 classic production. It's having kind of weird color, but I love it. Looks pretty nice. Very solid car, very beautiful one. Rims are different than the other two cars, if you might notice, the treasure hunt and the basic one. Then we will move to another classic production. Very nice Spectre Flame dark orange one. Lovely car. Look at the timbers on the tires. Nice colors. All are metal base. Beautiful cars. Then we're gonna end the video by this 2008 production one. It's classic production. Also it's metal base, everything is metal in the car. Pretty nice one, heavy, nice, solid, strong, muscle car. After a couple of days I'm gonna release another video about the same pretty nice car with different colors. One of the really beautiful casting that Hot Wheels made. I love it so much. So thank you so much for watching. Just gentle reminder to subscribe and like, and wish you have a pretty day.